Boeing Company, has increased its dividend payment by an average of 31.0% per year over the last 3 years and has increased its dividend every year for the last 5 years. Boeing Company, has a dividend payout ratio of 56.2%, indicating that its dividend is sufficiently covered by earnings. Equities research analysts expect Boeing Company, to earn $11.05 per share next year, which means the company should continue to be able to cover its $5.68 annual dividend with an expected future payout ratio of 51.4%. Boeing Company, BA, opened at $265.57 on Thursday. The firm has a market cap of $158,501.31, a price-to-earnings ratio of 27.30, a price-to-earnings growth ratio of 2.03, and a beta of 1.22. The company has a current ratio of 1.18, a quick ratio of 0.39, and a debt-to-equity ratio of 8.54. Boeing Company has a 52-week low of $141.29 and a 52-week high of $267.62. Boeing Company, New York Stock Exchange BA, last released its earnings results on Wednesday, October 25. The aircraft producer reported $2.72 earnings per share for the quarter, topping the Zacks consensus estimate of $2.65 by 7 cents. The firm had revenue of $24.31 billion during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $24.09 billion. Boeing Company, had a net margin of 7.33% and a return on equity of 12,064.25%. The business's revenue was up 1.7% on a year-over-year basis. During the same quarter in the previous year, the business earned $3.51 EPS. Equities analysts expect that Boeing Company will post 10.1 earnings per share for the current year. Institutional investors and hedge funds have recently bought and sold shares of the business. Clear Perspective Advisors LLC raised its holdings in Boeing Company, by 31.0% in the second quarter. Clear Perspective Advisors LLC now owns 571 shares of the aircraft producer stock worth $113,000 after purchasing an additional 135 shares during the period. CWH Capital Management Incorporated acquired a new stake in Boeing Company, in the second quarter worth $134,000. Mountain Capital Investment Advisors Incorporated acquired a new stake in Boeing Company, in the second quarter worth $196,000. Private Advisory Group LLC acquired a new stake in Boeing Company, in the second quarter worth $202,000. Finally, AIMZ Investment Advisors LLC acquired a new stake in Boeing Company, in the second quarter worth $202,000. Institutional investors own 71.51% of the company's stock. A number of research analysts have weighed in on BA shares. Zacks Investment Research lowered shares of Boeing Company, from a buy rating to a hold rating in a research report on Thursday, July 13. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company raised shares of Boeing Company, from a neutral rating to an overweight rating and boosted their target price for the stock from $205 to $240 in a research report on Friday, July 14. Cohen & Company restated a buy rating and set a $255 price objective on shares of Boeing Company, in a report on Monday, July 17. Value Engine downgraded shares of Boeing Company, from a buy rating to a hold rating in a report on Monday, July 17. Finally, Bank of America Corporation upgraded shares of Boeing Company, from an underperform rating to a neutral rating and boosted their price objective for the stock from $150 to $225 in a report on Wednesday, July 19. One analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 10 have given a hold rating and 14 have issued a buy rating to the stock. The company presently has a consensus rating of buy and an average price target of $255.94. About Boeing Company. The Boeing Company is an aerospace company. The company's segments include commercial airplanes, defense, space, and security, BDS, such as Boeing Military Aircraft, BMA, Network and Space Systems, N&SS, and Global Services and Support, GS&S, and Boeing Capital, BCC. The commercial airplanes segment develops, produces and markets commercial jet aircraft and provides related support services to the commercial airline industry.